Once you want to start your YouTube channel, you first of all have an email address, log in with your password. Once you log in with your password, you now go to youtube.com, open it up, and this is the dashboard of our YouTube. As you can see, nothing is happening here for now. So this is the new account dashboard. As you can see, where you just clicked on the gaming aspect. Depending on what you like doing, this is the gaming aspect. This is home. This is home. This is the YouTube short. There is equally subscriptions that you must have done, but nothing is here for now. You go on to the history of what you've gone through. This is just the only thing we've seen on this very channel. There is nothing else on it. Everything is almost blank. You can see the playlist is empty. You can go on and check other aspects of this very channel. It's still very new, still very empty and all that. You cannot do any other thing but. So you can take a look at the trending, take a look at the music aspect. Just each and every one of them are very important depending on your niche. The music aspect, the gaming, like I talked about earlier. All these are all part of what you will eventually get into. We're just trying to just get an overview of all that has to do with YouTube's dashboard. This is news. People that do much of news will be conversant with the news feature. There are other features. There is sports as well. There is sports as well that is just below the news, and it goes on and on. So let's get into the business of the day. You start your channel by going to the setting. Just click the top right side of your channel, then scroll down to settings. Once you get to settings, you will see create a channel. Once you click on create a channel, automatically it will generate a name that will connect more or less with your email address name, or you can change the name to the name that you prefer. Change the handle name to the name that you prefer. If you don't do that, it will decide on its own the name you will bear. Once created, it will bring you to the new channels dashboard. Okay, you can see that the profile name is bearing W. The name is Webland, and it's telling you to create content for the channel. There is another way of opening your YouTube channel. Once you get to the navigation bar, scroll from home to the bottom part of the navigation bar to the settings. Click on settings, and settings will now bring you to the location that you will now do you now see create a channel. And once you get to create a channel, click on it. It will bring you to another page that says create your channel name. You start putting in your channel name according to your desire. Any channel name that you wish, whether it's a kiddies channel, whether it's a Christian channel, whether it's a storytelling channel, whether it's an educational channel, whether it's a movie channel, whether it's a comedy channel, just write the name as you wish here. At this point, your channel will be up. You must have noted it down that this is the kind of channel, and once you've finished writing the name of the channel, next is click on the tick box that is below where you wrote your channel name. After ticking that box that just below is, click on create. You don't have to click cancel, just click create. Once you click create, your channel will be created, and you will now be ushered into your channel dashboard. Your channel will be created at this point, whatever niche it is, whichever niche you want to delve into, the channel will be created and it will be up and running.